Well, this morning was a giant craptacular announcement. I got hit with a YouTube warning. Now, what is a warning? It is the precursor to a strike. I make content showing people how to do stuff, how to use technology, and I made this video showing how to activate Windows 11 with one command, and you don't need your key in case you've lost your key, because losing your key is very, very common with Windows. So they have multiple ways to activate the software. I was showing you how to use the Microsoft key activation system. I appealed it, and of course, they said, no, we have reviewed it and say that it is still in violation of our rules. What were the rules exactly? Well, I was creating harmful and dangerous content, and I was showing people how to gain unauthorized access to audio content, audio visual, video games, and software. I don't know where this is coming from because, well, the feature we're talking about is activating key management services, which is built by Microsoft. This is a Microsoft built feature that I was showing people how to use. And they apparently think that is unauthorized access when it's literally built by the company who makes the software. It is a supported feature. And if we come into just looking at how to activate Windows 11, we see there are videos 159K, 238K, 55K. A few videos here who have far more views than I had. I only had 3,000. But it's the principle of the matter. I don't even care that they took the video down. It's the fact that they issued me a warning that pisses me off. Because in YouTube, you only get one warning before you start getting strikes. And if we can see here, man, this video did well for a lot of people. Thank you, it worked. All of these, by the way, are the video that got taken down, obviously. So thank you, it worked. Thanks, so fast and easy. You know, huge W. And you just come down here and it was just people always getting what they wanted. No one here got scammed. No one here was harmed. I don't know where this harmful policy BS was coming from, but no, it was just non-stop thank you. Because I don't create clickbait content, I create usable content. So I appealed to the YouTube creators' Twitter feed. I don't know, we're waiting to see what comes out of them. But yeah, YouTube apparently is not wild about me using features that are built by companies for those companies to be able to be used. Totally, absolutely absurd. I'm very tilted right now. I've been sitting on this all day. And I didn't know what to do about this video, if I was going to make this video. But yeah, there you guys go. So if you're wondering, hey, what happened to that video that everybody really liked and everyone was getting some value out of? Well, YouTube decided to pull it down. Now, if you want to give me some support, hey, great, hit that sub button, leave a comment on this video if you can. And other than that, well, I'll make more content and we'll just see how many more strikes we get. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. I've been Arif. This has been just a rant. And I'll see all of you on the next video.